With the tagline, Electrify Every Journey, the 2026 BMW MOTORHOME is a daring combination of luxury, innovation, and sustainability. Although BMW has not formally revealed a motorhome model, the idea is based on the company's next electric cars, including the 2026 released Vision Neue Klasse and iX3. Performance and design. External, the motorhome's aerodynamic streamlined shape improves economy and range with a drag coefficient of roughly 0.23. Powertrain. The motorhome's newly designed circular battery and BMW's 6th-generation eDrive technology provide increased driving range and charging efficiency. Charge. The motorhome can reach a range of up to 300 kilometers with just 10 minutes of charge thanks to an 800-volt system. Technology and interior. Infotainment comes with the newest iDrive system, which includes a 12-inch touchscreen, a high-end sound system, and support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Panoramic Vision offers a modern and engaging driving experience by projecting a head-up display onto the entire windshield. Customization provides interior designs, hues, and finishes that may be altered to accommodate personal tastes. Off-grid capability and sustainability. Solar power, outfitted with 300-watt solar panels, enabling prolonged periods of off-grid living. Energy efficiency. The overall vehicle efficiency has increased by 25% as a result of the new battery technology and lightweight materials. Details. Features engine, fully electric or hybrid, anticipated, 300 to 500 horsepower, estimated, AWD, RWD drivetrain, anticipated. Electric range, 300 to 400 miles battery capacity for EV models. 100 to 150 kilowatt hours. Capacity for seating, 4 to 5, based on configuration. Up to 300 watts of solar panels for power measurements, LXWXH. Around 6,200 by 2,200 by 2,900 millimeters bathroom. Yes, with a toilet and shower. The kitchen small with a refrigerator, sink and stove. A 12-inch touchscreen for entertainment, a high-end sound system, and Apple CarPlay, Android Auto advantages. An opulent interior with high-end components and finishes. Infotainment systems and advanced technology. Effective powertrain choices, such as hybrid and electric models. Improved driver assistance technologies and safety features. Off-grid potential with energy-efficient architecture and solar panels. Drawbacks. Expensive because of upscale features and cutting-edge technology. Less room for cargo than larger motorhomes. In distant locations, charging infrastructure could be limited. Complex maintenance necessitates expert servicing. The 2026 BMW MOTORHOME is still only a concept, but it perfectly captures BMW's dedication to luxury, sustainability, and innovation in the field of electric mobility. Such ideas open the door for travel and adventure in the future as the automotive sector develops.